Starting a native chicken farming business doesn't require a huge investment, at least initially. With smart and proper planning, one can begin with small number of chickens or chicks and grow slowly and steadily. In this video, let's see how. First and foremost, start small and with locally available breeds. Buy 5 to 10 hens, 1 to 2 roosters or 30 to 50 chicks. Choose local breeds as these are hardy and survive well with minimal care. Second, use affordable or minimal things for housing. Build a simple shelter making use of locally sourced materials like wood, leftover construction items, iron, bamboo, tarpaulin, wire mesh, and shade nets to save on transportational material costs. Just ensure that the shelter or housing is well ventilated, dry, and predator proof. Third, do it yourself. Building or installing by yourself or with the help of family can significantly reduce overall amount spent on labor. 4. Always free range chickens. Native chickens love to roam, scratch, and dig for food. Letting them free range reduces feeding costs and improves health. It's even better if you pasture raise them. To not make them sleep with half stomach, supplement their diet with locally available grains, kitchen leftovers, and farm byproducts. Fifth, gradual and quality breeding. Native chickens are natural hatchers, excellent mothers, and have strong maternal instincts. Choose eggs from quality parent chickens and let them sit on a clutch of 12 to 15 eggs for the entire 21-day incubation period, leaving them only for short periods to eat, drink, and relieve themselves. Once they hatch their chicks, let them raise their own chicks, and by following this process over time, your flow grows without spending more on poultry equipments like incubators. 6. Maintain biosecurity and vaccinate them. Native chickens are generally hardy, but just like other chickens need some preventive measures. So maintain strict biosecurity, clean up shelter and vaccinate them properly beforehand. As prevention is lot cheaper and easier than treating chickens at later stage. 7. Focus on local market. Native chicken eggs and meat is in high demand for its unique taste, flavor and health benefits. So sell eggs, meat birds or chicks within local community as it saves the money you need to spend on transporting them. 8. Reinvest profits and spend wisely. Use earnings acquired to increase your flock size, improve housing for chickens, or to get better feed for them, or more birds if needed, as raising chickens is a number game. And last but not the least, learn as you grow. Spend time with your chickens to check on their health, feeding habits, and also have a talk with other local growers about their feeding ways, growing practices, watch videos, read tutorials, or join some online forums or groups to gain knowledge.